Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones Day trade setup for today. So, what can we say? The Feds came out with their song and dance, told us exactly what they've been telling us all along, and which is bad news for the market, but we buy. So, anyway, this is just a sign of confusion. So basically, if you think about it logically, you know, the whole world is predicting doom. I mean, just have a look through Google and you'll see so many people predicting the market crash and the end of the world and wada wada. But those kind of setups are created for the newbie traders, basically, who start listening to that narrative and start taking preconceived ideas and trading on them, and their stops get taken out, basically, for those that have stops. And then obviously got people that are sitting shorts and will start crying shortly. But anyway, for me, this was a move up, consolidation. We've got a bit of a flag. We've got a flag break. We'll look at that on the lower time frames. We've got a beautiful crossover here, far apart. I suspect we have a second move, pretty much going into the end of the year, and at least top of channel, which will be the previous highs, somewhere around there, I would say. And then if we do break the channel to the upside, we're probably looking at something around 37,400. Excuse me. Okay. So looking at the 3 hour, you can see onto the 155 and inside bar, as I always say, I look for a double bottom. That is a double bottom with diversions, beautifully played out and move to the upside. So just going to go straight on to the hour. And we'll also use the 15-minute just to give you the real indication here. So on the hour, you can see hovering below the 155, then we broke above it. So this is a typical noise move. No real structure for you to trade off, as you can see. There's no pullback onto that on the hour that you would have seen to be able to trade. What we are looking for, I'm just going to use this. Let's leave that level for now. And let's go to the 15-minute just to give you the hindsight quickly. So with the noise, you can see just drifting. Then obviously some people got inside information here and started buying, move up, and you've got this massive acceleration when the first bit of news comes out. And there's always a pullback onto structure. And there's your pullback onto structure. And if you look at the 15, there's your swing high, your break. There's your retest inside bars. So anywhere in here, in actual fact on the 5-minute, if you were watching this, you would have seen the opportunity. First, a pin bar off structure, wait for that first move to go, pullback comes, there it happens, and you can see the structure there. There's the breakout on the 5-minute, there's the buying opportunity, 155 EMA, and then it's just one-way traffic. So for me today, we obviously need to look for a pullback of some sort, and this is kind of the setup that I would be looking for anyway, is some kind of a pullback back into 35,880 or alternatively 35,817. Don't like the way the oscillator looks on the hour, so I wouldn't want to be chasing longs just yet. We've got a crossover with the noise, so I would expect either a pullback into this area, or what you're going to find is a consolidation that's going to look like that. And then what you're waiting for is a break above yesterday's high and a retest of it. And then you're looking for another move to the upside, which should be a pretty strong move as well. So this is the first target that you have, which is 36,524. Break that, then you're looking at 37,400. Okay, so that is pretty much the setup that I have today. Pay attention to it on the 15 minutes, even the 5 minutes if you want, and that should be a pretty decent setup. If we do start sort of breaking through this level, then you're probably going to see a pullback all the way back down here to 35,644. So just wait for that pullback, wait for the structure, and wait for the move to start moving to the upside before jumping into it. Then you can sort of pick your stop area, which will be whatever that swing low is, will be your stop area. Anyway, hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.